Unreal Engine to DaVinci Resolve in just a few steps. Easily bring your renders over for cinematic color grading and a polished final look. So here's my project with a really simple animation from CSGO. And once you're ready with your scene, now we can go to Movie Render Queue and load our render preset. Since I already have a detailed video on my Unreal Engine render settings, I will just show you the color output settings here. First click on Enable, and then create new OCIO configuration, and then double click here. Click on plus button twice for desired color spaces and only once for desired display views. For the first one I will add utility recording 709 sRGB and select ACES CG for the second option, and for display we have to select recording 709 ACES 1.0 SDR video. And click on Save button to save OCIO configuration. And now we can select Transform Source to Recording 709 and then Transform Destination to ACES CG, and we're done with color output and we are ready to render our animation. And also enable OCIO display config so your viewport color matches with your final render, or you may see color shifts after renders in your DaVinci project. Once your render finishes, you can close Unreal Engine and open DaVinci Resolve. I'm using DaVinci Resolve Studio 19, but it's same process for all versions of DaVinci Resolve, just follow the steps with me. Once I create new project, I will go to the project settings, and then I will set the resolution I had set for my renders. I set it to 4K and 30 frames per second. Keep in mind that your Unreal Engine render frames should match with DaVinci Resolve project settings so animation won't lag in viewport or canvas. And stay on Edit panel inside DaVinci Resolve so when you select all the frames and import to your media pool it'll be a video format, not in photos format. And let's drag this animation to timeline. Now it looks darker or blackish than our viewport in Unreal Engine. We're going to fix it, because again black stealing the beauty of a render. In Color panel on the right side, in Resolve FX Color, we have to drag ACES Transform to our animation, and keep the ACES version 1.3 and then change Input Transform to ACES CG and Output Transform to Recording 709. And the render look exactly like it looked inside Unreal Engine, and now you can do color grading and can finish your final polishing to your render and post it on your social media or throw it on the face of your client. I hope you learned the workflow of Unreal Engine to DaVinci Resolve, and I will give you the link to my complete guide on my Unreal Engine render settings.